I saw myself on that stage.
Ladies and gentlemen, Arnold Schwarzenegger!
Thousands of people screaming, Arnold, Arnold, Arnold. And when you visualize something very clearly, you believe that you 100% can get there. There was a lot of things they had to learn, obstacles that they had to overcome. You can get an injury, then all your athletic stuff is over. But the only thing that no one can take from you is your mind.
Arnold Schwarzenegger terminated his box office competition.
I was looking for another challenge. Politics. Let's get to work.
He had no staff, no real plan.
Makeup, please.
He blew up the political system.
There's problems and problems, but I want to do the things that everyone calls impossible.
I'll be back.
People will remember my successes, and they will also remember those failures. It was very tough on my marriage, on my relationship with the kids. I have caused enough pain for my family. I'm gonna have to live with it the rest of my life.
Why did you give up?
Well, because my vision didn't talk about giving up. My vision was climbing that mountain.
He's the guy who turns his boat towards the torpedo.
If you're always hungry, you're never really satisfied. No matter what it takes, work your ass off. Do it. Do it now.